I'm called Dr. Chintu Michael. I come from Uganda. Our organization involved Sample Uganda Aquaculture Association. We are using a strategy to promote a project called Admire Aquaponics. It's an innovation in Uganda. We are trying to democratize aquaponics among the local communities. Now we are using a model to make aquaponics affordable to the local communities through credit cooperatives. We are addressing a number of issues: food security, climate change, poverty, unemployment, because we are a one-stop shop center for the aquaponic. We fabricate the kit, we hatch the fish, we provide the grow bed, and at the same time, we provide the feeds. And at the same time, we're also promoting black soldier flies. We hatch them, we dry them, we've got a dryer, and then make the powder that provide the protein, and then put some other materials. That's how we're incorporating the local knowledge. We give them skills, give the skills to the credit cooperatives, and at the end of the day, they also deliver those skills to the local communities. At this moment, I must thank UNDP because they gave us technical assistance in terms of, besides the grant, they gave us technical assistance to procure an extruder to make pellets for distribution to the farmers at an affordable price.